So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA Rookie of the Year award, a winner futures bet here on a Bet365. So once you're into Bet365, go to the top left of the home screen and press on where it says NBA. Then slide this top bar where it says lines, props, etc. all the way to the right to where it says futures and press on futures. Then to where it says win outright right here, to win outright, press on that. Then press on where it says regular season awards. And scroll down until you come across Rookie of the Year, but luckily for us, this is the top option right here. So if you wanted to scroll to different options for Rookie of the Year, you can do that. So if you wanted to, for example, place a futures bet on Victor Wembanyama, you can press on Victor or whoever you may wish. Go to the bottom left and press on Set Wager to set your amount, and then press on Place Bet in the bottom right to place your futures bet. So that's how you guys can place an NBA Rookie of the Year award winner futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.